In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva animations. It's a fantastic way to bring your designs to life with movement and flair, and we'll go through the process step by step to ensure you get the hang of it quickly and easily. Let's dive in and start creating some captivating animations in Canva. First things first, open up Canva on your device. If you don't have an account yet, it's very easy to set one up just using your email or social media logins. Once you've logged in, you'll want to create a new design. Canva offers a plethora of templates and sizes, so take a moment to choose the one that best suits your project. Whether it's for social media posts, presentations, or even a simple greeting card, the choice is incredibly versatile. After you have your canvas ready, let's choose the element you want to animate. This could be your text, an image, a shape, or any graphic element included in your design. Simply click on the specific element to select it. This step is important because you need to tell Canva exactly which part of your design you want to animate, ensuring you're directing effects at the right elements. With the element selected, turn your attention to the top toolbar. You'll notice an option labeled Animate. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a world of possibilities where you can preview different animation styles. Canva provides a diverse selection, from basic animations like fade and rise to more dramatic ones like tumble or stomp. Take your time to explore these options and select the animation that best conveys the mood and message of your design. Now, let's fine-tune the animation settings. You might want to adjust the speed to make the animation faster or slower, depending on the effect you're aiming for. Canva gives you the flexibility to tweak these settings, so your animations flow just the way you want them to. Next, if you want to add animations to an entire page rather than individual elements, click on the canvas itself. Once again, select the Animate option and you'll see different styles available to apply to the whole page. This is a great way to ensure consistency across your design and create an engaging experience for your audience. Once you've set everything to your satisfaction and feel happy with your animated masterpiece, it's time to share it with the world. Click on Share and select the option to download as an MP4 file. This format maintains the animations beautifully, making it perfect for sharing online or playing in a presentation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully used Canva animations to enhance your designs. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with different styles and settings. Thank you for watching, and have fun animating.